We're currently down in southern Germany and exploring the deep Black Forest. This stunning and often overlooked area is full of lush forests, waterfalls and lakes to explore, and that's exactly what we're doing. So follow along as we try and show off the best that Germany has to offer as we make our way through the forest and towards the Alps.
Good morning from a very chilly rainforest. Is it the rainforest? Very chilly forest. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. It was such a quiet night. We can hear all the birds and some water behind us. So I'm just going to make a coffee to warm me up for the morning. The best way to not overboil too much water is just to pour it into a cup. You want to use first. Good little tip for saving water. Had this little pop-up pour over for years, but I've never used a filter on it, and now all the coffee grinds are stuck in the little mesh bit. I didn't think you needed it, but it takes forever now, so I think I might do my physio exercises while I'm waiting for this to brew.
Well, as a first for everything, we're stuck behind a BMW. How ironic. In Germany as well. God. After breakfast, we hit the road and on towards Triberg and the famous Triberg waterfalls.
Now my ball hats.
Steep? Not steep. This way.
Behind me is Germany's tallest waterfall. To be honest, we've seen a lot better. It's pretty nice, but this is a very, very touristy area compared to where we've been. It costs €8 each to come in, which honestly isn't too bad. You've got to pay for parking, and there's all these like little museum and quirky things in town. It's a cool spot, but I think we've seen some better spots a little bit more off the beaten track around the Black Forest Road, but we're still going to enjoy ourselves and go for a little walk, and yeah, we'll bring you along for the ride. Must say, the water smells very fresh, and that is a really nice way to wake up in the morning. I feel guilty for saying it was bad. It's really beautiful. The view is unreal. It's definitely getting more impressive as we go up. I think there's like 7 waterfalls, but the best part is the waterfall is nice, but this view of the forest and the town behind us and the sun, the light hitting it, is absolutely beautiful. Come and have a look.
From Triberg, we continued on towards Lake Titisee and our final stop on the Black Forest Road.
So see this pedestrian free zone behind me? Yeah, I drove up that. Yeah, I thought we were going the wrong way. I ended up all through there and then eventually got on the road, but there's about 5 minutes of, yeah, you couldn't get into the car parks because we were going from the wrong way. So, whoops, didn't get in trouble. Found a car park. All good in the end. Come down to a beautiful viewpoint and a cafe for some Black Forest cake. This was the highest reviewed around. It's closed. We should probably be a little more organised, but that's okay. It's a very cute spot. How nice is it down here? We're going to town, there's plenty of places. Looks like it might open, it's 10 to 12. I'm wondering whether it opens at 12. I can't see on Google. Google told me it was open.
Michelle's bossing out some work. I've got my beer. When in Germany?
Radler. You're a wuss. It's a Radler.
I gotta do some driving. I gotta do some driving then.
I found like this really cool, well, I don't know, I'm gonna get it. It's like a coffee with cherry liqueur. I don't know, they call it the Black Forest Special, so I'm gonna get that and a Black Forest cake. But for now, we've also ordered ourselves a currywurst because why not?
When in Germany.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Shelley's favourite. My favourite.
We've gone full tourist. Black Forest cake, obviously, and this is a Black Forest coffee. So it's coffee, like cherry liqueur and cream on top. Full tourist mode, looking over the lake because I don't know, having a nice day. Cheers. That was just cream.
Oh.
Well, that clearly sucked. Not.
Polished plate. Well, as best as I can manage.
Not sure on this coffee though.
Well, I'm not going to finish it for you.
Oh, it's strong.
Can I have your biscuit? Oh, what have you got?
I had to get something to remember our trip by. I got a little ball hat. So you can go up here. Oh, how do we get it around there? We'll have to take this out. That'll be a... This'll do. It's only €3 and I wanted a little treat.
We left Tiddesey and found a nice pool for a dip and a shower before stopping for camp for the night.
Check out. What not stunning? So, we found a nice park up for the night, with a nice viewpoint, or so we thought. Oh my god. We came up a dirt track, it definitely wasn't a track, and it's like the apocalypse up here. That door's open, there's nowhere. On Google Maps, this is a viewpoint. I don't even want to go outside. Like, yeah, it is lovely, but definitely not a viewpoint that it said. So back down we go. Oh, and now it's ready. Oh, okay. We thought it was a walker's track. I'll show you why. Yeah, should have known better. I did find a cute restaurant along the way, but upon reading reviews, yep, that's a walker's restaurant. Not a driver's restaurant.
We made it. We made it a driver's track.
Oh well, obviously staff have to drive up here. We're falling asleep under the rain. Well, you can't see it, this is a shit video, but you get the gist. Anyway, good night. Okay, we've gone to Aldi. Oh my god, there's so many cool things. Like, look, there is mini waffles. Oh my god, it's so fun shopping in another country. And look at the size of this pastry section. Oh, look at that pretzel. Yum. And all the goodness. I want to know what this is. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. If you've never had paprika chips, need to have. We need to pick out like one thing each.
One thing each, yeah.
Oh, booze again. We don't have the room. So much cabbage. But they have these cool things. It's a whole tin for two of pasta, meat. I don't know what this is. All this random tin food. So cheap. I mean, probably not the most delicious, but all that cabbage. We did a pretty decent shop. Came to €25. Honestly, we both thought it would be like, what?
45.
All right, we got a couple of different things that seemed German, then picked up some waffles. I know this is just macaroni, but the packaging was very German. And then we have some tomatoes and stuff to use for dinner, but we found these. I actually don't know what they are, but it says traditional. So, and then I bought some cabbages and some salad so we can make this dinner. I don't know what it is, but it says it cooks in 5 minutes on a pot, so that's great. We couldn't find any hummus or anything like that, so we got some antipasto cream. I don't know what it is. And butter beans only came in a glass jar. Other than that, just a stock standard shop really, but some radishes because we are in Germany. And some cool pasta. Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else that exciting, but...
The next morning, after a quick stock up on food, we carried on to Lake Constance, a large lake that shares its shores with 4 different countries.
Just gone for a stroll, down along the water, found an information centre. Oops, we didn't realise we'd walked to Switzerland. So that little town just over there, that's where we were, that's Constance, that's the old town, and all we've done is walk across and we're in Switzerland. Unfortunately there's been some flood, so this park is very flooded behind me here, but off to this side is another country. That's Austria, and it's only like an hour or 2 away. Like, honestly, Europe to me is wild. So I'm from Queensland, like where I was born was a 3-hour drive to the closest real supermarket. Like, there was a corner store in like the town I was born in, a 3-hour drive to the hospital when mum had to give birth. Like, Europe is just wild. It's crazy, I love it. Anyway, we don't know what we're doing, but this is absolutely beautiful, and we took the morning to chill in the library, get some work done, and decide where we fancy going next.
We spend the rest of the day exploring around the old town of Constance before turning in for the night. Here's our park up for the night, looking over Lake Constance. Look at that sunset. How incredible is that? If we can get the sun. No, can't get it. How beautiful. Be sure to tune in next time as we carry on through Germany and dive into some of the most incredible lakes we've ever seen.
I mean,
check out this view.
Does it get much better?
No, it really doesn't.
This place is insane.